How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro or XT Pro SE back cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Note the larger tabs on the bottom of the back cover. Note the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, raise the back cover into position, then lower it slightly to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Raise the back cover back into position, then, starting at the top, replace and partially tighten the first 5 screws. Install and fully tighten the last screw, then finish tightening the remaining screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.